welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be kind of like a little vlog style video. We're going to be getting ready because I am headed to Phoenix in a couple days for a trip with Modere, which is the weight loss company that I work for and also have been taking their products for a few years now. I think it's been like almost 2 years. So I'm super excited for that, but I just want to take you guys along with me as I like prepare for the trip. I just got my lashes done. Obviously I couldn't take you guys along with that, but that was one of the first things that I did. Fresh set of lashes for when I go, because I hate having to put on false eyelashes when we're in the pool, or like, I don't know, it's just easier to do your makeup when you're on vacation when your lashes are done. So I got those done. I actually have to work 3 more shifts before I leave at my other job, and then I will be taking off. But today I did run a couple errands, so I got my lashes done like I said. And then I also, for those of you that know me, I never read books, but I've been in this weird kick of reading books ever since my grandpa gave me this really good book a while ago, but I actually just picked it up this week and I finished it and I loved it. So it got me wanting to read more. And since I'm gonna be on a plane heading to Phoenix, I thought, why not get another book? So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video and this vlog style, pack with me for Arizona, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me go show you the book. So this is the book that I picked up. It's called Whisper Network by Chandler Baker, and it's a mystery, so I'm excited to read that. And I'm going to get my nails done, get my hair done, all that kind of stuff, pack. This is the current situation of my packing. That's some of the clothes. A lot of them haven't came in yet because I ordered some new stuff. So I'm waiting on those, and then I'm going to pack with you guys, but I also got some new makeup. And I'm just excited. I'm gonna have to clean the house. I have a lot to do next week, so this is just the first day of getting ready, and then I'll take you guys along with me like I said. Then the video after this that you guys will be seeing is like a vlog of my time with Modere in Arizona. So if you guys are interested in working for the company, or you just enjoy the products like I did way before I worked for the company, then you guys will see that and see kind of like what it's like to go on these trips. And I'm excited to just learn a lot, meet more people that work for the business as well. We're staying in a hotel with 4 girls, well 3 plus me. One of them I've known, 2 of them I have not met before, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, you guys will see that video after. But also I'm gonna be going to get my nails done because these gotta go, but I'm gonna wait that out till next week so that they're fresh. Pedicure, we're doing the most before this trip because it's my first work trip, so I'm excited. Hi guys, I'm just leaving my apartment now. It's a couple days later. Yesterday I just did basic stuff around the house. I worked on like a blog post that I have to have up before it's time to leave in 2 days. So today's Tuesday, I leave on Thursday. I got this really cute henna at the Renaissance Festival on Sunday too though, by the way. But I got my hair done yesterday. That's why it's like super curly, because I didn't like blow dry it or anything. I just kind of left my aunt's house as is, but it is darker. You probably can't tell in this lighting. But anyways, I'm going to my mom's house right now because she's gonna do my toes, and then I'm gonna go get these horrible nails done finally. I just don't know what color I want to get. That's what we're doing guys today. I just left the nail salon. I got this nude color. It's almost like literally the exact color of my skin, but I kind of like it, and it goes with my henna. So I'm gonna run into Kroger right now and grab some dinner for tonight because there's no point to go like full on grocery shopping since I'm leaving. And then I got pink on my toes, which I'm not gonna show you my toes because like it's kind of weird. But that's what we're doing. Then we're gonna go home and finish packing. So I'm just grabbing some like travel size palettes to bring with me. I don't want to bring like a huge palette or anything, and then the rest I'm gonna pack once I'm done using it tomorrow, because I do have tomorrow like to get ready for the flight and stuff. But I'm taking this Hourglass palette and then this Revolution Beauty palette because it has really nice fall colors. This is the bag that I'm just bringing for a carry-on the plane. I have my headphones in here. I have this book that actually one of the girls on my team got me. This is a very educational, good book, so I'm gonna bring this. I have just like some note paper, and this is like where I write like blog ideas and everything, because obviously I am going for work, so I'm gonna be using this. Then I have this business planner. This is where I have like my customers from Modere and everything, and just keep track of what everyone has ordered, stuff like that. My laptop's also going to go in here, and then I have this book that I just started reading that I'm going to read on the plane as well. It's called The Whisper Network. So far, it's very good. This is where I'm going to have like my cash money and my cards and everything. I have some masks, obviously, for the plane. Hi, buddy. And then I just have like some ibuprofen, Pepto-Bismol, some more headphones just for backup. So that's basically my carry-on. And then, like I said, my laptop's going to go in here as well. Alright guys, so now that you've pretty much seen like the running around portion of like getting my hair done, getting my nails done, stuff like that, now we're going to tackle this craziness. I do have my tea right now that I'm drinking. This is just the Teamy matcha tea. I absolutely love this. It's really good for just like a good detox before a trip. So I do have a code for you guys too if you guys want to check this out. You guys can get some money off. It's right here. It's a really good tea. I always talk about their products because I really do like them, and this is a really good tea. And I also have a couple of these tumblers as well. I love them. I love that, like I showed you guys, they have like the little diffuser so that all the particles from the matcha that's kind of like chunky, you don't drink those. It goes right through the snifter. It's so yummy. It just feels like healthy going into your body. You can just tell like it's so good for you. So I'm going to drink my tea. We're going to tackle this mess. I am checking a bag. I originally did want to do a carry-on, but I wanted to get the matching one to this. I should have just got the whole set before. But anyways, besides the point, even on Amazon Prime, it wasn't going to ship in time. So I'm just going to check a bag. I get a free check bag anyways with Delta, so we're just going to do that. But, alright. I didn't really order a crazy amount of new clothes just because it is going to still be really hot in Arizona. So I didn't want to buy a bunch of summer clothes when I know coming back I'm not going to really need summer clothes for a whole year here in Michigan. So I just got some things. I got this really cute outfit. This is all from Amazon. I got this like little ruffle orange top. It's like a little crop top, and then I'm going to wear that with this pink skirt, which I thought is really cute, with some like ankle booties. And then I did get these boots, which I love. These are from Shein. They're a little bit too much of a ponytail for what I would like. They kind of like go up a little bit, but they're still cute. So they're really cheap anyways. What else did I get? Oh, and then I just got this brown crop top as well to wear with like jeans. This is also from Shein. It's almost like a little corset. So this is the luggage situation. So I do have these little packing cubes. These are from my FabFitFun box actually. And I'm just going to put like, this one has bras, underwear, and bathing suits. So I'm actually going to put that at like the very bottom. That way that's all organized, so all that's in there. And then over here I already started packing. These are just like some sweatpants and like comfy clothes that I'm going to be bringing. I am going to bring some gym shoes just because I might go to the gym if I have time. I am staying a day by myself, so I'll have some time at the hotel to go to the gym. And then I put like my little travel body care and like shampoo, conditioner, and stuff all in this bag, so that if it does spill, it'll just go in this bag. So I'm gonna put that in there. Then my makeup, like I said, is going to all go in here. This is a complete mess. I've had this since like back in the day. If you guys remember when I went to Europe, that was like in 2017 or something like that. But this is where all my makeup's gonna go. I like how it has like multiple compartments. Again, I'm not going to be packing my makeup right this second just because I am going to have to use it again, so I'm not going to pack it up, but that's where that's going to go. And then I also have, this is from my purchase in Siesta Key when I got some bathing suits from Lily Pulitzer. This is like a wet bag for like your bathing suits, so I am going to bring that because again, it is going to still be hot. Then I have, this is my jewelry in here. I'm just bringing a little bit of jewelry. I'm gonna put this might go in my carry-on, honestly. Sometimes I get worried when my jewelry goes in my checked bag. So that's probably gonna go in there. I have some makeup wipes. I just bought this huge thing. And then if you guys want to see how I actually like do my hats, I usually take like the clothes I don't really care about, like pajama tops and stuff, and I'm gonna shove that stuff into here. That way this will go on the bottom and it will stay like, so this top part won't get dented in once you close the suitcase, because I'm not gonna wear this to the airport. But that's how we're gonna pack. I'm gonna hurry up and do that, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Going for a few days, so I'm actually packing pretty light, which I'm very proud of myself. I'm really excited. I am gonna take you guys along with me, so I'm gonna do like a whole vlog of me in Arizona working. You guys can kind of see if you're planning to work for Modere or you just are nosy and you're interested and you want to watch. I would love to share that with you guys, so that's gonna be the next video. I also have a Filipino video coming where me and Joe are cooking some more food, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little like vlog style pack with me and get ready with me for Arizona, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. This is the before.